In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a store theme on Sellfy. Your theme sets the overall look, feel, and layout of your storefront, so it's worth a thoughtful choice. We'll keep this simple and clear. You'll open the visual editor, explore your theme options, preview a few styles, apply your favorite, and then publish it so visitors see the new design. Start in your Sellfy dashboard. From there, head to Store Settings and select Customize Store. This opens the visual editor, sometimes called the customizer. You'll see a live preview of your storefront on one side and a sidebar with controls on the other. Nothing you do here affects your live site until you publish, so it's a safe space to experiment and get comfortable. Next, look in the Customizer sidebar and click Store Style. This is where your overall design controls live, and it's also where you can switch themes. Think of Store Style as the control room for your brand's look. Colors, typography, layout options, and of course, theme selection. To explore what's available, select Browse Themes. You'll see a collection of templates designed for different use cases, from simple product displays to more visual, image-led layouts. Hover over any theme to preview it, and click the eye icon to see how it would look on your store. The preview updates in the main window, so you can assess spacing, menu placement, and how products are highlighted. Take your time here. Try a few themes, and check how headings, buttons, and product cards feel with your brand. If the customizer offers device previews, switch between desktop and mobile to make sure the theme looks great everywhere. When you've found a theme that fits your style and goals, click the check mark on that theme, and then click Apply Theme. This sets the theme in your draft view. It won't go public yet, which is helpful if you want to take a final look. Remember that applying a theme changes the structure and style, but doesn't remove your products or store content. Some theme-specific settings may reset, so plan to fine-tune after applying. Once you're happy, click Publish to push the theme live. You'll usually find the Publish button near the top of the customizer. After publishing, open your storefront in a new tab to confirm everything looks the way you expect. If you change your mind later, you can return to the customizer, switch themes again, and publish the update. That's it. Open the customizer, go to Store Style, browse and preview, apply your choice, and publish to go live.